Number 2, Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is our list's best premium Android phone. Featuring an extraordinary 200-megapixel rear camera, stunning color tone dynamic range, and a massive 6.8-inch display, this phone sets a new benchmark. Powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, it delivers fast performance, a bright screen, and an excellent rear camera, particularly in low light. Additionally, the base model comes with double storage. However, there might be disappointment concerning the selfie camera and no notable improvement in fast charging. It's available in the market for $1,200.